Hi folks, this is Murtuza here, and in this video I want to get started by telling you my true story, my journey towards getting started with an internet business, and how I came at this stage, how I came at this place where I'm standing right now, with a smooth functioning business. So my past was not very smooth, and I got started after my 10th standard exam. I got started with a hardware company, domestic hardware company. I did a job out there, but they did not pay me because I was just doing like an apprentice job out there. I wanted to start a hardware business, but my luck was not very powerful. So probably I didn't get started with the hardware business. I didn't get started with that business, but eventually I switched on to a plastic business, and I started supplying plastic bags in all the hospitals in Bombay city. And that business was pretty good, but slowly and steadily it faded out because of the increased competition. So I was out of that business. This is at the age of 15 years. Okay, all these businesses I was doing. Then I switched on to a Herbalife business. It was a network marketing company, but I failed miserably out there. Did an investment of $2,000, but could not survive in that network marketing company. Again, I came out as a failure from that company. Then I moved on to NIIT. I did a software programming, and after doing 3 years of course, I came out, and I was jobless. Actually, I did not get a good job. This was mainly due to my mindset, but it was difficult to get a job. So I landed up in another job in a network marketing company in iFlex, as well as I was in Wipro. Actually, Wipro recruited me and put me in iFlex company, and there I was paid $100 per month. In Indian rupees, it's 5,000 rupees. So it was a nightmare for me there because I was not a specialist in networking, and I was in the job of computer networking. So 6 months I was there with $100 per month salary, and there was nothing left for me. So I went out of that job. So I was continuously jumping from one place to the other without achieving success in anything. Then the best thing which I did is when I joined my NIIT. In the first lecture, they taught us how to use internet, and they told us about Google search engine. And the lecturer told the entire class that whatever information you want on the search engines, just type it out, and you'll get that information on any topic you want in the world. And because of all these frustrations, I was desperate to make money, to get settled. So the first thing which I typed out is how to make money, how to get rich, how to be successful. And my journey on internet marketing was started from that day onwards. And even though I was unsuccessful in all these businesses, one thing which I did every day was that to come at home at night until 1 a.m. I used to sit and read all the sales letters and how to do, and as to how could I get started with my online business. So this is the best thing which I did. So after all these failures, I finally decided that I want to now focus full time on internet and do my best so that I could derive income out of my websites. So I started my first website, and again a huge failure. It was a squeeze page. I could not drive traffic to my website. It was a disaster. The first website was 5internetmarketingsteps.com, and I still have that domain name. Then I started with the second website. The second website was earncrazy.com, and at that time people used to tell that create a content rich website, and you'll get free traffic, and your business will become really, it will flourish. Okay, so I got started with a content website, and 6 months I put on that website. I wrote around 50 articles, did all the stuff out there, and that website again was a huge failure. Second website completely failed, and 6 months again I was nowhere. Then it was around 1 to 2 years down the line. I did not make a single dime. I was just struggling online. Then I put up my third website. Okay, and before I put my third website, I was searching desperately online as to what I should do, because I kept failing from one thing to the other. There was just a continuous stream of offline failures and internet failures for me. Then finally after doing lots of research and studies, I came across these three pillars, okay, of online business. That is, if you want to build a successful online business, you must have these three pillars in place. That is traffic, relationship, and products. And I really went into deep, and I got training from lots of experts, and I did my own research and testing, and finally I got it that what was missing in the entire puzzle. I was doing things right, but I was not doing it completely. I had something missing. Okay, from the 23 steps I called 23 block formula, there was something missing, in each of the businesses which I was setting up on the internet. Then I put up my third website with all this newfound information, and that website became successful. Okay, I worked on that website for around 1 year, and the website got in around approximately $25,000, and it got more than 100,000 visitors. And the most memorable part is that I got my first check of $24.95 from a bank called Rexsoft, and I was delighted because after years and years of struggle, I got my first check of $24.95, and then it kept going on, and that site made me around $25,000. It got 100,000 visitors, and the most important part is that I got that formula clicked. Okay, the formula was working. That was the biggest thing for me. And I took that formula and I approached corporate clients. The first corporate client whom I approached got approximately 1100, approximately 43,000 visitors, 2,500 inquiries, leads, and 1100 inquiries. Okay, so it was a corporate client, and the testimonial is also right on this page of the director of that company. So that was again a pretty good success, okay, for my first client. The second client was very huge, okay, whom I'm working with right now, and that client is number one in India in hair care niche, hair solution niche, and they have 60 clinics. They are multi-million-dollar corporate client, and when I installed my system on their websites, their business increased by 300%. Okay, so they were getting around 150 patients per month, and as soon as I installed my system, they started getting 600 patients per month. Okay, and 600 plus patients per month. So that was a huge growth for them. Okay, so I used that system in other websites also, and you can see the proof video right below this video. I have put up the proof video so that you can see how the system I am talking about works tremendously well. So this is how I got started online, and these are the struggles which I faced in last several years, and I don't want these struggles. I don't want you to face these struggles. Okay, so but before I end my story, I just want to tell you, I want to give you a disclaimer that my training products or coaching programs which you will purchase are not get rich quick schemes. Okay, they are not get rich quick schemes. They are not any Ponzi schemes or internet millionaire schemes or push button millionaire schemes that you see all around. They are simple marketing and internet business formulas and systems that if you take action, and if you work hard on it, okay, you will grow and succeed. But if you take the information and do nothing with it, obviously you will not succeed. You have to put in efforts initially to be successful. So I cannot guarantee your income, okay, with any kind of training products or coaching packages you purchase from me. The only guarantee you can give yourself is you, okay, by taking massive action on the information which I give you. So with this I end up this story, and let's talk about one of my training packages which I have recently launched. I have recently launched my Done For You service, where I, as well as my team, will be doing all the work for you and help you to build your online business one-on-one. We'll be handling all the technical stuff and build up all the marketing systems that is required to build your online business from scratch. While you watch us how we build your online business, and we will also train you on a step-by-step basis as to what you should be doing so that you can do the same the way we are building online business. Okay, so in this video I'll be giving you more details as to what we will be doing in this Done For You service which I have recently launched. Okay, it's an entire internet marketing campaign that we will be developing for you from scratch. Okay, So, and we'll be doing this in the niche that you select. Okay, so if you want to get started in a golf niche, then we'll be installing the entire marketing campaign for you in the golf niche. Okay, so here's how we will go about doing it. Okay, first thing we will do is we will set up your WordPress blog. Okay, so let's say this is your WordPress blog. So entire installation of the WordPress will be done for you by my team. The second thing is the blog design. Okay, so we will be designing the entire blog. We have over 300 designs for you to choose from, and all these designs are absolutely unique and they look really attractive. Okay, so you can just let us know which design you like the best out of the 300 designs, and we'll install that theme, that design, WordPress design on your blog. We'll be designing the graphics for you. Okay, so to make sure that your website matches to the theme that we will be giving you. Okay, your website matches to the niche that you have selected. So you'll be designing the header graphic and the squeeze page graphics and everything for you, okay, of your blog. Okay, so if your website is in golf niche, then we'll be creating a golf based header graphic for you, and we'll be setting it up on your blog. The next thing we'll be doing is we'll give you hosting and domain name. So you'll be getting a domain name, a .com domain name, that is XYZ or whatever is your niche. So we will be selecting a domain name and we'll register your domain name based on your choice, and we will also register a hosting account. Okay, hosting account is a place where your website resides. Okay, a server where your website resides. So we'll be giving you the hosting account as well as a .com domain name for your website. Then we will research keywords in your niche. Okay, so what we will do is we will research keywords and LSI terms. LSI terms are the related terms of your main keyword. Okay, so we will be researching around 100 keywords, and we will research LSI, that is the related terms, okay, for every keyword, and then we will be using these keywords to optimize your articles and websites. The next thing we will do is we will set up your squeeze page. So this is the squeeze page on your website. So we will set up your squeeze page and put your squeeze page in the navigation bar, also in the main content pages. And squeeze page is basically a page where you collect name and email address from your subscribers, and in return you give them something free. Okay, so we'll be setting up your squeeze page, and we will be connecting your squeeze page to the entire list building. We'll be setting up the entire list building machine. Okay, so we'll be connecting your squeeze page to a system called an autoresponder. Okay, so we'll also be doing the autoresponder setup for you. Autoresponder is basically a system where it helps in automating your follow-up email campaign. Okay, so we will be setting up 50 emails for you in your autoresponders. So your squeeze page will be connected to the autoresponder, and we will be setting up around 50 emails, 50, okay, in your niche, so that your subscribers get a constant stream of valuable content. Okay, that and once they get this good amount of content, they'll be open to purchase your products and services. So we'll be setting up your squeeze page, we'll be connecting your squeeze page to an autoresponder system, and we'll be setting up 50 follow-up emails for you, okay, for your subscribers, and we'll be automating this. We'll be setting up these emails in your autoresponder and sequence them probably once or every 2 days. Each email will be sent out. Okay, so with this, your relationship building system will become absolutely powerful. The next thing we'll do is we'll set up your silo structure. So this is the silo structure of your website. So we'll be taking the keywords and the related terms that we have researched, and we will be putting all this into a silo structure. Okay, we'll be writing articles. We'll be writing around 100 articles for you. Okay, 100, that's 100 articles for you based on these keywords. Okay, and we'll be optimizing all these 100 articles with the keywords and the related terms that we have researched. And out of these 100 articles, unique articles which we will optimize for you, 50 of them will go on the blog. So this silo structure is basically means that we will be categorizing your articles in different categories and subcategories, so that your website is set up in a tree-like format. So example, see, this is the silo structure for your website. So this will be the home page, then the home page will get connected to a few more pages. Okay, then the second level page will get connected to the third level page. Okay, so this is a two level silo structure which I have designed. Okay, so these silo structures are created based on the category and subcategories of your website. So what basically happens is that your website really develops a theme, okay, in the eyes of search engine, and you tend to get traffic from hundreds of combinations of keywords, okay. So you'll be creating this silo structure for you in an Excel file, and then with that Excel file with the 100 keywords, we'll be taking that silo structure and developing it on your website and do all the internal linking for you. So your home page, in short, will be linking to these 3 pages. This page will link to these 3 pages. Then this page will link to this page. This page will link to this page. So okay, so there's an internal linking structure that we will be setting up for you, and 50 articles will go in this silo structure, and this silo structure will actually set up on your blog, okay, on your website. So this is how it works, and the remaining 50 articles will go for submission, okay, and they will be submitted by my unique submission system, and the links will in turn get pointed to the silo structure. So all the submitted articles, these are the submitted articles, and the links will get pointed out in the silo structure, and it will deep link to each and every page of your silo structure, okay. So every page on your website will get links from the submitted articles. So we'll be putting 50 articles on your blog and 50 articles in the submission system. Then you'll be getting weekly trainings from me, okay, and I had created a gold coaching program, and in that I have created weekly trainings for my subscribers. So you'll be getting weekly trainings from me for next 12 months, approximately next 12 months, and each training will build upon the previous one, okay. So every training will take you one step closer towards your end goal of building a successful online business, okay. So with every training you will get a homework assignment, okay. So every week you will be getting one training from me and a homework assignment to complete that week, and the next week you'll be getting the second training and a homework assignment. So you have to complete the trainings every week and the homework assignment every week, and when you do this, you will be able to learn systematically how to build your online business in next 12 months. And secondly, we are building your online business in front of you so that you know exactly what we are doing, and also we'll be training you in these weekly trainings how we do it. So you'll be getting weekly training and homework assignments. Then the next thing you'll get is skincare site videos. I am launching a new website called skinhairbodycare.com. The work is in progress, okay. This is the website, skinhairbodycare.com, and everything that I am doing on this website, we have written hundreds of articles, and probably we will reach thousands of articles on this website in future. And every single thing what we are doing on this website, we are recording on the cam, okay. We are shooting it out, okay, and all the videos about as to every single step that we are doing to build this website will be recorded and given it to you, so that you know live as to how we build our businesses, and plus you will be seeing how we are building your business. So you will have a dual effect, okay. So you'll be seeing two businesses, how we built around two businesses in front of your eyes, and plus you'll be getting weekly trainings from us. So this is the power of this done for you service. And the next thing is that this skincare site videos, I'll be actually selling it for around $500 to $1,000 in future, but you get it absolutely free as a part of this done for you service. The next thing is you'll get 5 hours of one-on-one consultation. So as soon as you subscribe to this done for you service, I and you, we both will sit together on Skype, and I'll be giving a one-on-one consultation for 5 hours. Okay, so you can ask me any questions you have. We will strategize your entire business, and we will I will help you to research your niche. So everything we will discuss as to how you will move about your business from scratch, okay, and what work we will be doing. So so I'll give you a 5 hours of one-on-one consultation, so it will move you, okay, step by step towards building your online business. Then you get weekly group coaching calls from me. So every week you'll be getting a phone consultation from me. So either it can be through Skype, or probably if I'm starting a telephone seminar, so it will be a group coaching call where all my clients will be asking me questions, and you can join that teleseminar and speak with me on the phone. Okay, so every week you'll be getting a phone consultation from me where you can speak with me and get your questions answered. The next thing you get is unlimited email coaching. So whenever you have any questions while you are going through the training, or whatever questions you have for the next 12 months, you can just shoot me an email and I will give you an answer. Okay, so this is what you will be getting. Okay, and the weekly group coaching call is also for 12 months based on this done for you service. So you have 12 months of phone coaching as well as email coaching from me. Okay, Then SEO and plugins, we'll be doing all the SEO optimization for your website so that your website is absolutely ready to get SEO traffic. Plus we will be installing all the important plugins that are required to build a strong business from scratch. Okay, all the plugins that are required to do SEO optimization for social media and tons of other things, conversions, we will be setting it up for you. The next thing we will be helping you is design your sales funnel. So your sales funnel is right here. Okay, in your from your email campaigns you will be promoting your products and services as well as your affiliate products, and the way the products are structured, okay, so that they get the best conversions and you get the best return for every leads. Okay, the best value for every lead that is coming into your funnel. So we have to design a properly structured sales funnel and test it properly. Okay, so I'll be helping you out in designing your sales funnel based on the products that you will create and the affiliate products that you will research. Okay, so when you have that sales funnel ready, then you will get the best value out of the leads that are coming into your funnel. So I'll be helping you to design the sales funnel, and the next thing is that we will set up the ad tracking system for you. So this is the ad tracking system that we will set up for you. Every page on your website should be tested so that we know exactly how many visitors on your website are coming in, how many leads you are getting, so you know the lead conversion rate. So you have to understand the product conversion rate, what kind of conversion rate every products are getting in your entire email campaign. You must know whether all the emails are performing or not. So this is a kind of complicated system that you have to set up, and we will be doing this setup for you so that you understand what is working and what is not working, and when you know that this is not working, you can remove it and put something else in place. So this is how you build a system and you test a system, so that then you can have a machine that you can scale it up and reinvest your profits. Okay, this is a law of systems, and the most important component is the ad tracking system, so that you know exactly what is working. Okay, so we'll be setting up this ad tracking system for you. The next thing is that we'll be giving you license to 3 very most powerful plugins. Okay, we have actually purchased licenses of 3 of the very advanced plugins. Okay, and we'll be giving you the license copy. Okay, I can give my clients the license of these softwares, these plugins, so that it helps them to boost up their online business. Okay, so these plugins include WordPress Sales Machine. There's one plugin called WordPress Sales Machine, and it actually automates the entire selling system of your WordPress website. Okay, the second WordPress plugin is list building system. Okay, so it will automate the entire list building process of your website. It creates squeeze pages, forms, and all that stuff. Okay, so it's a very powerful plugin. Okay, and this will make very complicated things for you just like drag and drop, push button easy. So these are the kind of licenses which I have purchased just for you. And the third plugin is list segmentation and conversion system. Okay, so this will help you in segmenting your list as well as increasing your conversions. So I'll be giving you, I've just put up all the benefits of these into a book. Okay, because there are so many features of these license plugins which I have purchased for you, that I just had to write it down out here. So I'll just give you a quick overview as to what you will be getting in these plugins. The first is the WordPress Marketing Machine, okay, plugin. So this WordPress Marketing Machine, actually it helps you in creating professional sales and marketing pages. So every single page that you require to build a strong marketing system on your website is included in this plugin. It actually has a page builder, so you can create pages by just pushing single buttons and dragging and dropping things out. Okay, it helps you to create your front end sales letter, then the upsell sales letter, then it helps you to create exit squeeze pages. So whenever closes your website, so an exit squeeze page pops up. Okay, so that helps in converting your exit traffic into subscribers. It helps you to create buyer opt-in page. Okay, opt-in page is a squeeze page where your customer subscribes to. Then it helps you to create your thank you and download pages. It's an entire flow. Okay, where people go to your front end sales letter, then they purchase your upsell product, then basically they go to your buyer opt-in page, and then finally they go to your thank you and download page. So this entire process, the entire launch and sales funnel is created by this system. Okay, so all you have to do is just drag and drop, and you will not have to mess around with all the technical stuff. It helps in creating squeeze pages. It helps in creating legal pages. Okay, so legal documents of your website are created very quickly. Then it has 22 different modules of graphics for every possible marketing application. The 22 modules of graphics you are getting. Okay, so right from testimonial graphics and guaranteed buttons and arrows, and there are hundreds of things you get. Okay, so that you can just push button and drag and drop, and you have all the marketing graphics that you will require for your website. Then drag and drop content blocks and widgets. If you want to create new widgets, marketing widgets for your website, you just have to drag and drop and it's done. This kind of system would take you, thousands of dollars for any technical person to create it for you, but this software does it absolutely quickly. Okay, all you have to do is just copy paste and drag and drop. Okay, then it helps you to create the entire pre-launch builder. So if you have a new product and you want to pre-launch that product to your list of subscribers by giving them good content or something, so entire automation of your pre-launch campaign is done by this software. It helps you to create your sales funnel. The entire sales funnel automation, what I was talking about, can be done by this software completely. Then it helps to create time-based redirect script. Okay, so you can redirect your subscribers, okay, your visitors on any page after a certain amount of time. Okay, so if let's say you visited one of my website pages and I'm saying that this offer ends in 48 hours. Now you visited my website after 24 hours, so the time span will be 24 hours. And let's say you visited after 23 hours, then the time span will be 1 hour, and after 1 hour that person will be redirected to some other page. So you can have time-based offers running on your website, okay, using this kind of system. Then it helps in creating, there is a built-in SEO system, then hidden and timed content. Okay, so you can actually have some portion of content appearing on your website after a particular time. This helps in membership websites. Okay, so let's say you have a membership website and you want the first newsletter to appear on the first of every month. Okay, so the first of every month you have one portion of your content appearing, then the next month you have the second part of your content appearing. So you can have timed and hidden content, okay, timely based content appearing on your website. So this is basically one and only tool you need to create whatever pages you need in your entire marketing machine. Okay, so it's very powerful. It's a very powerful WordPress marketing machine software and I've got this license for you. This kind of system would cost you thousands of dollars for a programmer to create for you, and it makes creating marketing systems push button easy. Okay, so the next plugin is list building. Okay, list building machine. This plugin will create a list building machine for you. So what it helps in doing is it helps in creating opt-in forms. Okay, and the forms will be highly professional. Even top-notch designers will not be able to create such squeeze pages that this plugin will create. Okay, and it will help you to create very attractive opt-in forms, high converting opt-in forms. Then you can display these forms on any portion of your website. Okay, and actually these forms are such, when you look at it, it helps in improving conversions. Okay, it will boost up your conversions. Then these forms can be put in any portion of the content on your website. It can put anywhere on your website. Okay, these squeeze pages, you can put it in the sidebars, then you can have it as a pop-up. Okay, so it will appear as a pop-up on your website. So after a certain time, if you want, let's say if after 1 minute a pop-up should appear on your website, so you can do that. Okay, then slide-ins. Let's say after let's say 30 seconds, you want the pop-up to come from below of your website. Okay, like a slide-in, so that you can do, or even from your left or right. So it helps in creating the slide-ins pop-up, and it helps in to insert your squeeze pages on your website articles or even below your blog posts. Okay, then it creates standalone squeeze pages. Okay, and very attractive squeeze pages that gives very high conversion rates. Then anyone who posts a comment on your blog can actually get added in your squeeze page. Okay, can you add it in your autoresponder? Anyone posts content, so this script will actually add that person as a subscriber in your autoresponder system. And anyone posts comment on your WordPress blog, then it has an ultimate form builder. Okay, so with that builder, without any designing knowledge, you can create very professional looking squeeze pages and forms. Okay, that will help in boosting up your list building campaign. Then it has over 30 stylish templates. So even though you don't want to create any forms by yourself, there are 30 very attractive templates that you can choose from, and your squeeze page or the form is absolutely ready. Okay, I've used these templates in my multi-million dollar client websites. Okay, and it's looking really superb. Okay, and it has helped in boosting up the conversions like anything. It creates video opt-in forms. It has a built-in split testing system. So this ad tracking system is built in on these forms. Okay, so that it split tests all the different squeeze pages. Okay, and it has a conversion lift process. So the best converting squeeze pages stay, and the lower conversion rate squeeze pages are stopped showing up on your website. It's an automated conversion boosting process. Then it has detailed stats. You get detailed stats for every squeeze pages and their conversion rates. As I was talking about, that you need this ad tracking campaign, and this software has a tracking campaign built in your list building machine. Then you can get subscribers using Facebook Connect. You can put opt-in form on Facebook using this software. It integrates with every autoresponder that has HTML forms. Okay, so you will not have to worry about which kind of autoresponder integration is there. It integrates with every autoresponder, and it works with every browser. So it's browser compatible. Your squeeze pages will look top notch on every browser. It has fully responsive forms, means your squeeze pages will look superb in any mobile device. Okay, it's complete responsive forms. So you can also get people subscribing in your list building. Okay, subscribing in your autoresponders using mobile devices, because your form looks perfectly fine. It adjusts perfectly fine on every mobile device, whether small or a big mobile device. Okay, so you have fully responsive form. Then forms on different pages. You can create different type of squeeze pages for different pages. Okay, so different forms and different squeeze pages will you can create for different types of pages. So in a silo structure, if you have multiple categories, let's say the site is skincare, so you have acne, wrinkles, and pigmentation. So for acne, you will have an acne squeeze page. For wrinkles, you have wrinkle squeeze page, and pigmentation, you'll have pigmentation squeeze page. Okay, so for every page you will be able to target specific squeeze pages. Okay, with this this plugin, and this will help in boosting up your conversion rate. Okay, it has built-in traffic tracker, so you know which source of traffic is converting and which is a flop. You can actually get people in your GoToWebinar seminar, and you can actually, whoever gets and subscribes in your GoToWebinar seminar, you can get them back into your autoresponder system. GoToWebinar is basically a platform where if you are organizing webinars for your subscribers on weekly or a monthly basis. Okay, and you get unlimited everything. Means you can create unlimited squeeze pages, you can have unlimited autoresponders connected to your squeeze pages, you can put these in on unlimited pages, so unlimited everything. Okay, it's absolutely easy to do, and it gives you higher conversions. And the reason it gives you higher conversion is that it has great looking forms. It can create great looking squeeze pages and forms. Okay, it is mobile friendly. These forms looks absolutely cool on mobile devices. It is browser compatible, means all these forms looks absolutely cool on all the browsers, and it is easy to automate and split testing. Split testing and automation is absolutely easy, and this split testing and automation will help you to install the tracking system in your list building campaign, and you can actually increase your conversion rates. Okay, and in turn you get detailed tutorials to set this up. Okay, so we will give you the license of this list building machine absolutely free, and this kind of software, if created, would cost you hundreds of dollars. Okay, thousands of dollars in fact. And the third type of license we'll be giving you is list segmentation marketing machine. Okay, now this is a conversion and list segmentation system. It helps you in doing list segmentation and in turn boost up the conversion on your website. And basically what it does is it creates simple, highly addictive quizzes. Okay, a quiz is something which people love to participate in. Okay, so if you give a quiz to a person and you give them a question and 4 answers, so people really like to select the answers and move ahead. So it creates very addictive quizzes so that people participate, and based on the options that they select in the quiz, they can land up to a particular page. So that page can basically give them probably targeted offers, or you can take them to a sales letter, or probably you can take them to a targeted squeeze page, so that you give them exactly what they want, exactly what the kind of options they have selected in the quizzes, and so you take them to a targeted offer, targeted squeeze page, and your conversion rate increases, and also helps you in segmenting your list based on the problems that they are facing. So this is a very powerful marketing tactic, because initially what you're doing, you're surveying your subscriber based on the quizzes that they take, and then based on that you're giving them some targeted offers. Okay, so what happens, this does is basically it increases visitor engagement. Okay, so people are really engaged in your website because they are taking the quiz, so they stay on your website for a bit longer period of time. Then secondly, it helps in creating segmented lists. Okay, so based on the quiz, you take them to a specific squeeze page. So what you are doing is, let's say you have a skin website and you have quizzes. Okay, so people are actually a person is actually going and selecting that he has pigmentation, then you're asking another 4 questions. So basically your system knows that this guy is suffering from a pigmentation problem, and now you are taking him back to the pigmentation squeeze page where he is getting a report on how to solve his pigmentation problem. So what you're basically doing is, you took that person off from the skincare list, and now you are putting that person into a pigmentation list, and you have segmented list. Okay, and now you can display highly targeted offers to that person. Okay, because now you know that this guy has a problem of pigmentation, so you'll be pitching him all the pigmentation based offers. Okay, then this offer also has a built-in viral sharing and traffic generation system, so that once the quiz is completed, that person has a chance to click and share your quiz with his friends and relatives using all the social media tactics. Okay, so it is supported by every autoresponder that uses HTML forms. You can create unlimited quizzes, you can add images, audios, videos, and any sort of content, any type of content in your quiz, and you can add quizzes anywhere you want, and you get detailed stats about your quiz, so that you exactly know what kind of problems your subscribers are facing, and based on that it will give you a very helpful insight in what kind of products you have to create on your website to solve problems of your subscribers. Okay, it helps you to get social media traffic. So basically what is happening is that these 3 plugins are actually converting your WordPress site into a solid marketing machine, a list building machine, and a conversion machine. So I have grabbed license to these 3 plugins, and it's for you absolutely free when you are going with the done for you service, and we'll be installing these for you. We'll install all these plugins for you, and so that you can use them whenever you want. Okay, plus you'll be getting tutorials on how to use them. So basically this is the entire process that we will be doing for you. Okay, so the most important thing you're getting from us is that we are building business for you. Okay, we are showing you, giving you all the training as to how we are doing it. So the most important thing you are getting is that you can see live how your business is built, and secondly you get to learn how your own business is built. Okay, so now you can take all this knowledge and you can basically start building businesses in multiple niches. Okay, one by one. So the first business, you put it up, you make it successful, now you jump onto the second business, then you can jump onto the third business, because you have the marketing system. Now all you have to do is install this marketing system in different niches. So this is basically what you will be getting out of the entire done for you service, and I hope that this will actually take your business to the next level. And I would really want that you work with me on one-on-one basis if you are really confused and you have taken actually last few months or years just struggling around as to what to do, okay, to get started with your online business. So I would really want you to work with me on one-on-one basis and get subscribed in this done for you service. So here are a few benefits that you get from the done for you service. The first benefit is you relax and sit back while we build business for you. Okay, so you don't have to do anything as such, because we are doing all the hard work and hard work for you to build your online business from scratch. Okay, the second thing is your business works on complete automation, because we'll be doing the work for you, and we will actually help you to automate your entire website so that it works smoothly in future. Okay, the next thing we do is we'll be giving you regular updates as to the progress of how your business is getting built. Okay, the 100 articles we'll be writing for you, setting up the entire list building machine and everything. Whatever we'll be doing for you, we'll be giving you regular updates as to how we are we are progressing and building your internet business. The next thing is we'll be giving you training. We'll be giving you exact training as to how we are building business for you, so that you know what we are doing. And when you have that training, when you have that knowledge, you can use that knowledge to build multiple businesses in future. You save huge time, and time is money, because we are doing all the hard work for you. We are putting our time in building your business for you, and we are helping you on one-on-one basis. Okay, the next thing is you build huge confidence. Okay, and confidence is the key. When you have the confidence to build a successful business, you can actually go out in the market and build businesses for yourself, multiple businesses for yourself and businesses for others. And when you do this, you can help offline clients. Okay, so offline clients helping offline, I'm doing the same thing. I'm helping offline clients and I'm charging for them for doing this. So you can actually approach offline clients and even corporate multi-million-dollar clients, and you can help them to build their businesses, to build their websites, and in the right way, and help them to boost their conversions. And when you do this, they will pay you good money. Okay, I charge between $500 to $1,000 per month from corporate clients, and there is no reason why you cannot do this when you learn this system from me. Okay, so it's a really powerful system, and it will help you to take your knowledge as well as your progress to the next level. So I would really advise you to get started with this done for you service. And if you are interested, just fill up the form right below this video, and I will review your application and get back to you with more details on how we can get started. The price of this is not cheap, and this is not for everyone, because I am putting my one-on-one time and my money to help you build your online business. So the way I have structured this price is that it is around $397 per month if you go on monthly basis. Okay, this is $397 per month for next 12 months. So this includes my entire coaching and the entire business setup for you. Okay, so if you multiply this by 12 months, okay, so it goes to around, the entire package goes to around $4,764. Okay, so this is the value of the entire package that you are getting, and you can go on monthly basis, that is $397 per month. And if you want to save, okay, go for the entire, pay for the entire 12 months package. If you pay for the entire 12 months package, it's one-off $4,500. okay, so you save $264 if you pay at one shot the entire $4,500 fee for the entire 12 months. Okay, but if you are going on a monthly basis, you'll be paying $397 per month, and which will actually cost you $4,764. And if you pay together, you'll be saving around $264. Okay, so this is not a very low ticket package. It's one of my high ticket packages, and I really want to work with serious people, okay, who really want to build their businesses super fast, and with the help of someone who has been in this business for years and who has done all the dirty stuff, okay, been in the trenches, okay, to not only build his own business but also for top level people and top level corporate clients. So you'll be working with me on one-on-one basis, and I am building the same business for you which I help to build for my top corporate clients as well as my own businesses. Okay, the same system I'll be installing on your website. I'll be guiding you how to do it. I'll be giving you training. I'll be doing all this automation work for you. Okay, so you'll be having your WordPress website designed, everything working fine. You'll be having your list building system, squeeze pages, emails, sales funnels, your own silo structure. We'll be writing 100 articles for you, put 50 articles on the blog, 50 articles in the submission system, and we'll have your .com domain name, hosting, everything ready. And all this is just for $4,500. And frankly speaking, if you would just go out to some huge corporate website design firm, they would charge you around $2,000 to $3,000 just to design your website. Okay, so this is the market price of website designing, and these guys will not even know how to build businesses. But here I'm not only designing your website but building your business for you, building the entire automation system for you, giving license to you, giving purchase licenses for you for 3 top level automation and marketing systems which I'll be giving you for free. Okay, and plus you'll be having this entire process map and everything for just $4,500. So it's dirt cheap, and I'm giving you 1 month guarantee. As soon as you sign up, you'll get everything absolutely risk free for 1 month. For next 30 days, test me out, test out the system, and for any reason you think that this product is not cool, the done for you service is not cool, just shoot me an email and I'll refund you back every penny. Okay, so you have 1 month 30 days refund policy. And if you are really interested, just fill up the form right below this video and we'll get started. So with this, I wish you all the very best and success, and take care. Goodbye.